Welcome to Python Programming 101. In today's video, we will be executing arbitrary Python codes, specifically 5 data elements using Google Colaboratory. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Python strings. These strings are derived from a collection of characters. They are unchangeable and unmodifiable after they have been defined. Because Python lacks a character data type, a single character is merely a one-length string. Square brackets can be used to access the string's components. Variables are the ones that hold values. Python variable is a symbolic name for an object that serves as a reference or a pointer. You can refer to an object by its name once it has been allocated to a variable. The data, on the other hand, is still retained within the object. Receiving input. Users can provide any information to the program in the form of text or integers using this method. We receive user input with the input function and display output on the screen with the print function. Python will raise a syntax error or an exception if the input given is incorrect. Weight converter. A Python weight converter is a combination of receiving inputs and mathematical operations to calculate and convert weight to different units. The code asks what unit the input weight is in before asking what unit the output weight is going to be. The variable weight will prompt the user to enter their weight. Then, we convert it to an integer data type and look for an equivalent in the output unit. Comparison operator. In Python, a comparison operator, also known as a relational operator, compares the values of two operands and returns true or false depending on whether the condition is satisfied. There are 6 of them: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Those operations compare the value on both sides and determine the relationship. I guess that's the end for today's video. We hope that you have learned a lot. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one.